Good morning, students. Today, History, Unit 8, Nationalism, Gandhian Phase. Yesterday, we saw Government of India Act and the Revolutionary Movement. Today, listen here carefully, students. Quit India Movement. Quit India Movement means what you know? வெள்ளையனே வெளியேறு இயக்கம் was started during the period of 1942. The Quit India Movement was started. At that time of 1942, the all over India, the widespread protest against the British. They boycotted all the foreign goods and the people stubborn to get the independence. The many leaders participated during that time of 1942 in the Quit India Movement. Particularly, Gandhi played a vital role during the period of 1942. First one, individual satyagraha. Individual satyagraha was started in 1940. The certain offers were announced during that time. That offer is known as August offer. The August offer declared by the British. But Indians were avoided to follow the August offer because of these offers were not favored to Indians regarding our independence. In August 1940, Viceroy Linlithgow, he was one of the officer of the Viceroy of the British. He started the individual satyagraha. Gandhi, during that time, Gandhi also started a limited satyagraha. Limited satyagraha was for the few individuals only benefited for individual satyagraha. So, Gandhi avoided this one. Individual satyagraha not favor for Indians. Benefited few people only. So, Acharya Vinoba Bhave was one of the economists also. Acharya Vinoba Bhave. Acharya Vinoba Bhave, in economics, he said that landlords give their lands to the landless poor. Said by the Acharya Vinoba Bhave only. Acharya Vinoba Bhave, during the period of 17th October 1940, he announced the individual satyagraha. And Gandhi and other people also arrested during the time. Totally 20,000 people were arrested for who are all participated Indians in the individual satyagraha. By the British were arrested during that time. Cripps Mission. On 22nd March 1942, Cripps Mission were started. Sir Stafford Cripps was the British officer. Stafford Cripps. He started the Cripps Mission in our country. During that time, in between, Gandhi and Stafford Cripps negotiated with themselves. Regarding the Cripps Mission, they negotiate with the Cripps mission regarding the Cripps mission in between Gandhi and Sir Stafford Cripps. But in between Gandhi means Congress and the Cripps, Stafford Cripps, they negotiate with themselves. But this Cripps mission was failed because of this Cripps mission not favor for Indians. The offers were announced by the Cripps mission. What you know, children? Listen here. First one, dominion status were provided after the Second World War. The Indians, they demanded, British demanded, all the Indian peoples want to participate in the Second World War. After the war, they said that provided the dominion status for India. After the war, noted, they provided dominion status for India. Secondly, in the August of 1940, the Britishers accepted the demand of Pakistan. They wanted to segregate India and Pakistan. They wanted to separate Hindus and Muslims. So second point, second offer what? You know, children, second offer, in between demand of Pakistan. Accepted the demand of Pakistan by the British. Second offer. Third one, during the Second World War, the Indian defense forces were controlled by the British. British demanded during the war, the British, all the Indian defense forces controlled by the British. These offers were not accepted by the both Congress and Muslim League. Both Congress and Muslim League were rejected the August offer in 1940. Gandhi said that the proposal has a post-dated check on a crushing banks. Post-dated checks on a crushing bank, Gandhi said. Yes, post-dated check means what? Before the date. Check. If the post-dated check on the crushing bank like that, it is not accepted by the banks. Post-dated check. So Gandhi said that after they said after the war they wanted to provide dominion status of India. That's why Gandhi said that post-dated check on a crushing bank. Gandhi was not accepted that one. Next one, do or die, call by Gandhi. In the Quit India movement, Gandhi fought against the British during that time. The outcome of the Cripps mission was disappointment. Cripps mission offer was disappointment for the Indians. All India Congress Committee met at Bombay on 8th August 1942. All India Congress Committee, all are joined together. Congress Committee were joined together at Mumbai in 8th August 1942. In this conference meeting, the immediate end of the British rule in India, they discussed in that meeting, Mumbai meeting. And Gandhi said that do or die. செய் அல்லது செத்து மடி அப்படின்னு சொன்னார். Either free India or die in your tent. So, in this do or die or either free India or die in attempt, Gandhi said during that time in the meeting, Gandhi followed the non-violent method, not for violent, non-violent method. On 9th August 1942, Congress, Gandhi and other leaders were arrested. Role of socialists. In the Quit India movement, many leaders were arrested. Leaders were in jail. The socialists came forward and they discussed themselves. They needed for leader at that moment. At that time, Jayaprakash Narayan and Ramnath Misra, Jayaprakash Narayan and Ramnath Misra escaped from the prison. And came forward, and the socialist movement were involved by these people. One of the women heroic, Aruna Asaf Ali, was one of the brave women. She fought against the British. She involved in socialistic movement. Then Usha Mehta, he also published the Congress radio. Underground movement were mad till November 1942. People's response. During the time of Quit India movement in 1942, all over India, many people were joined to the movement, Quit India movement, and protested against the British during that time. And in these people were hated against the British. Hatreds were shown everywhere and strikes were occurred in our country. They were all involved in violent method. The British people were suppressed during that time. So Indian people were very angry against the British, and they attacked government buildings, railway stations, telephones and telegraph lines were attacked by the people. Particularly in Madras, the people were involved in violent method during that time. And in India, the parallel government were established in Satara, Orissa, Bihar and Bengal. Students, listen here. Once again, I am going to recall Quit India movement. Quit India movement was started in 1942. Many leaders were participated in the Quit India movement. Individual satyagraha were started. Individual satyagraha in August 1940. Individual satyagraha were started. The Viceroy Linlithgow, British, belonged to British, he started the individual satyagraha. Gandhi and other peoples were started the limited satyagraha, but it was not favor for Indians. The few individuals only benefited this one. So Gandhi avoided this one, individual satyagraha. Acharya Vinoba Bhave, and on 17th October 1940, he started the few individual satyagraha, and Gandhi and Vinoba Bhave and other peoples were arrested. Totally 25,000 people were arrested during that time. Cripps Mission. On 22nd March 1942, the Stafford Cripps belonged to British, negotiate with the Gandhi. Negotiate with the Gandhi or Congress. Between Crips and Congress were negotiated with themselves, and it was failed. Crips mission was failed. They given certain offers for India. In these offers were dominion status were provided after the war. One. Secondly, they accepted the demand of Pakistan. Third one, during the time of war, the Indian defense were controlled by the British. These offers were not accepted by Indians. The Indian leaders also not accepted. So Gandhi said both Congress and Muslim League rejected the proposal. Gandhi said that the proposal as a post-dated check on a crushing ban. He said that. So the Gandhi was not accepted the Crips mission offer. Do or die, called by Gandhi. In India, everywhere, the protest against the British during that time, many people favor for Indian, particularly the Gandhi. Support goes to Gandhi. The outcome of Crips mission was a disappointment for the Indians. So, All India Congress Committee met at Bombay on 8th August 1942. 8th August 1942, All India Congress Committee were started, met at Bombay, Mumbai on 8th August 1942. In this Mumbai meeting, Congress Committee meeting, the Gandhi said immediate withdrawal of British from India, British rule in India. He said that, Gandhi said that, do or die. Either free India or in a die in the attempt, or die in the attempt. Either free India or die in the attempt. So, non-violent methods were followed by Mahatma Gandhi during that time of Quit India movement. So, on 9th August 1942, Gandhi and other leaders were arrested by the British. Role of socialists. During that time, the many leaders were in jail. The socialists came forward and they needed a leader for themselves during that time. At that time, in prison, Jayaprakash Narayan and Ramnand Misra were in prison. They escaped from the prison during that time and supported socialists. The woman heroine Aruna Asaf Ali played a vital role in the socialist movement. Usha Mehta, he also participated in the socialist movement, and his work was Congress radio. Underground movement were made until November 1942. People's response. All over India, people were protested against the British during that time. People support goes to Gandhi and other leaders. Everywhere, hatreds and strikes everywhere in our country. All are joined together and they wanted to oust British from India. The Britishers suppressed the Indian peoples. So peoples were suffered a lot. So finally, all the people joined together and they involved and attacked the government buildings, offices, railway stations and telephone offices and telegraph lines were disconnected during that time. They attacked. Particularly in Madras, Chennai, the strikes were going on beyond of limit during that time. and the people started a parallel government established in Satara, Orissa, Bihar and Bengal. Okay then, I am going to complete within 1 or 2 days, students. Okay then, see you tomorrow.